This is the Pixel 11 Pro in fog. Let's unbox it together. The Pixel 11 Pro comes in 4 different color options, the new ones being Canyon, pinkish, olive, greenish, obsidian, black but matte, and this color. In the box, you'll find a USB-C cable, and that's about it. Now, the Pixel 11 Pro comes in 2 different sizes. This is the 6.3-inch size, but there's also a Pixel 11 Pro XL, which comes in 6.8 inches. Right out of the box, this stands out as a great-looking phone. When I saw the videos and stuff online, I don't think it did it justice, so I hope this is doing justice of showing you how good this phone looks, and if it's not, let me tell you, in person, it's very nice. Now, if you're looking at that camera bar and thinking, is that bigger than before? Yes, it is. It stretches end to end, and it also has the new feature called HiLight, which is a white dot right now, but when the phone is powered on, it glows different colors depending on the notifications you're receiving. That's a quick look at the Pixel 11 Pro. Let me know what questions you have in the comments.